There is an acute shortage of oxygen across Delhi hospitals, and amid the crisis here, the rift between the centre and the state doesn't seem to end. Both Delhi government and the centre have been pinning the blame on each other for Delhi's COVID woes, while the patients are left gasping for breath. Let's take a listen at this report.
Crumbling medical infrastructure.
ऑक्सीजन की बहुत ज़्यादा परेशानी हो रही है। आज भी मतलब चारों तरफ अस्पतालों से SOS आ रहे हैं। इस अस्पताल की ख़त्म हो गई, इसकी 1 घंटे की बच गई, उसकी आधे घंटे की बच गई।
Helpless and endless wait for life-saving gas. Delhi is gasping for breath, but the blame game between state and centre continues. Accusing the Delhi government of mismanagement, BJP MP Gautam Gambhir said that the state government didn't do its duty of helping citizens. On the other hand, Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal claims that the centre did not supply the much-needed oxygen.
ऑक्सीजन की बहुत ज़्यादा परेशानी हो रही है। आज भी मतलब चारों तरफ अस्पतालों से SOS आ रहे हैं। इस अस्पताल की ख़त्म हो गई, इसकी 1 घंटे की बच गई, उसकी आधे घंटे की बच गई। बहुत ज़्यादा मुश्किल हालात पैदा होते जा रहे हैं। तो अब दिल्ली, हमने कोर्ट्स में भी बोला है, हमने केंद्र सरकार को भी लिखा है। तो अब 976 टन ऑक्सीजन की ज़रूरत है। उसके अगेंस्ट में अगर 312 टन ऑक्सीजन हमें दिल्ली को दी जाएगी तो कैसे काम चलेगा? आज सारे अस्पतालों के अंदर हाहाकार मचा हुआ है।
In 6 years, if you don't do anything, because the population is increasing and the Chief Minister of Delhi is only reactive, he has never been proactive, and all he concentrates on is his own politics. That is the most unfortunate thing, and that also on the taxpayers' money.
Amid pandemic politics, Delhi High Court has wrapped both the state and the centre. The court observed that the water has gone above head and the acute shortage required an immediate solution. Court wants centre to ensure that the allocated 490 metric ton of oxygen reaches its destination, and that centre has to arrange its own cryogenic cylinders for transporting oxygen as well.
Today's hearing too was significant in several aspects, with the biggest takeaway being that the Delhi High Court has issued a warning to the centre that if the allotted 490 metric tons of oxygen that has been assigned for Delhi is not delivered to them today, then contempt action will be initiated against the central government. The Delhi High Court has also asked the centre to ensure that the 4 oxygen tankers belonging to the supplier Inox that are currently detained in Rajasthan should be released at the earliest so the oxygen can be supplied to the hospitals in the national capital.
Amid the ongoing crisis, many hospitals sounded SOS for oxygen. Batra Hospital reported at least 12 deaths due to the O2 crisis. Sant Paramanand Hospital and Bhagat Chandra hospitals are some of the other hospitals in Delhi who have raised an SOS call for oxygen shortage. Bureau Report, India Today.
On that note, it's a wrap on this bulletin. Further news and updates, do log on